on the Unit 8 test is looking at rectangles and parallelograms. The first problem is fairly straightforward. Again, for most shapes, the area is the average width times the height. Well, this is 11 centimeters at the bottom, 11 centimeters in the middle, 11 centimeters at the top. So the width is 11 from top to bottom. The height is always a perpendicular height, because if I stood this parallelogram straight up on the ground, it would be 5 centimeters tall. So 11 times 5, the area is 55, don't forget your units, centimeters squared. Now there were two ways to approach this. Notice these dimensions are in feet, but they want to know how many square yards Laura buys. What a lot of people did was they found the area first. So the area, since this is rectangular, is 10 by 12, which is 120 square feet. But they want to know how many square yards. So if I think about this, a yard, 1 yard is 3 feet. So on the other side of a square yard would be 3 more feet, which means 1 yard is 9 square feet. So if I do that conversion, I have 120 square feet. There are 9 square feet in 1 square yard. So the square yards purchased ends up being 14 square yards. Now, there were also some people who converted 10 feet to yards first and 12 feet to yards first. Don't round those answers if you do that. And then they calculated to get 14 square yards that way.